Hello, Pinners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're covering a topic that some of you might be curious about: how to delete your data and account on Pinterest. If you're ready to start over or say goodbye, stick around as we walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app or visit the website and sign into your account. Deleting your data and account is a significant step, so make sure you're sure about it. Go to your profile in the lower right corner of the screen and click on it. And then on the next page in the upper right corner, click on the hexagon option. This will open a menu. Click on Settings. Now, under Settings, find and click on Account Settings. We're on the right track. Here it is, the option to delete your account. Click on Delete Account. Before the confirmation itself, read in detail what is written about the deletion of the order. If you are confused, press Continue. And there you have it, Pinners. You have successfully deleted your data and said goodbye to your Pinterest account. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. See you in the next video.